Welcome friends to Excel beginners and advanced tips. Friends, today we will discuss about one of the procedures to filter data from Excel sheet. So friends, hope you are all well. So first of all, I am just creating a database, sample database, say serial number, name, or anything marks. Here I am giving a serial number. It can be ID number like this, and name, any name. We can give a name like January, so that it can be auto filled, January to December, and again we can write name like year, anything, month. Suppose these are the names, fortnight, these are the names, and marks of against each name we can give 10, 20. Just think that this is a database. So friends, now I want to extract or filter data from this database. It can be more than 15. It can be anything as we want. But our main objective, friends, to extract or to filter data. Suppose from here I want to take the data of serial number 5, 6 and 7 like this. So just copy this and going to sheet 2. Here I want the copy, just I am enhancing its size little bit. Okay, just I want such copy, say 5, 6 and 7, record 5, 6 and 7 I want to copy. Just Ctrl C and Ctrl V here like this. This is done manually, but here it will be done automatically. So friends, here I need a help of a user form. Going to developer tab, Visual Basic, insert user form. Here friends, I am taking a label, say start number or starting serial number. Just for instance, start, writing here start. We can change its font, and here I am taking a text box here. Similarly, I am just copying this, just pressing Ctrl and dragging it. Here I am renaming it the label as end number. Okay friends, here within these text boxes I want to insert the serial number, starting number and ending number, and as soon as it will be entered, and before that friends, I am taking a command button here, just transfer or copy. Here I am writing transfer to sheet 2. Just rename, just for better comprehension, sheet 2. Transfer to sheet, SHEET 2. I want to transfer all the records from sheet 1 to sheet 2, starting from the number to the ending number. As I will enter into the text boxes subsequently. So friends, just enhancing its font sizes so that it can be looked prominently. It can look prominently here. So friends, here transfer to sheet 2. In this command button, I need to write some codes. Just double clicking here, and now I need the last row of the sheet 1. So here I am taking L row is equal to sheet 1 dot cells rows dot count comma 1 dot end Excel up dot row. Here I am taking a for loop for x. Suppose x is equal to 2 to L row of the sheet 1. And now friends, here I need a condition, if condition. If sheet 1 dot cells x comma 2, x means the second row of the sheet 1 that has been assigned as 2. You can see here these 2, the second line, these 2. If sheet 1 dot cells x comma 2 equal to the value of val text box 1 dot value. If the value of text box 1, the number which will be entered into the text box 1, oh friends, greater than equal to, that means that between the numbers I want to extract, I want to filter the records between the numbers. So if the value of the second column of sheet 1 greater than equal to the value of text box 1 dot value, that means the data that which I will enter into the text box 1 greater than or equal to, and same I am just copying this friends to get rid of typing. This is less than or equal to, here text box 2, the ending number, that is that the number which I will enter, I will be entering in our text box 2, it is less than equal to. If this condition fulfills, then you can see this, if this condition fulfills, then friends, sheet 2 dot activate. I want to activate sheet 2 first, and sheet 2 dot cells x comma 2, because the first row is the heading, equal to sheet 2 dot sheet 1 equal to the value of sheet 1 dot cells x comma 1. Okay, this is the first column. The first column will be the equal to the value of first column of sheet 1. Similarly friends, I am copying this. Second column will be equal to the value of second column of sheet 1. Similarly friends, I have only 3 columns here. You can see here in the sheet 1, that is serial number, name and marks. Here similarly I am copying here and just pasting this, and the third column of sheet 2 will be assigned as the value of the third column of sheet 1. And if now I end if, the closing the if statement, and then closing our for loop, that is next x with next. So friends, if we run this, let's see what happens. Just I want the start number as 5 and end number is 8, and if I click on the transfer to sheet 2, all the records starting from 5 to 8 will be transferred to sheet 2, will be you can say will be copied to sheet 2. Just checking it, sheet 2 here. No, not copying, just something wrong. If sheet 1 dot cells x comma 1, actually this will be the first column, actually the number where, and here is also the first column, that is it will be 1. Okay, sorry, don't copy this, just run this first. 5 to 8. See friends, 5, 6, 7 and 8 record has been entered in sheet 2. So friends, this is our coding to copy our required data from one sheet to another. You can see the condition. If the first column of row 2 of sheet 1 greater than or equal to the value of text box 1 dot value, actually, and sheet 1 dot cells x comma 1 less than or equal to, that means the same column of sheet 1 less than equal to text box 2 dot value, that means the our ending number, then our program will be run. Then our program will be run like this. Sheet 2 first column will be assigned to first column of sheet 1. Similarly, second column of sheet 2 will be assigned the second column of sheet 1, and third column of sheet 2 will be assigned the third column of sheet 1. Then end if and next. Again you can see, you can see friends, here just enhancing its font size little bit so that it can be seen clearly. Just here I am running the codes once again. If I want to copy 2 to 7, only these records will be copied or will be transferred to sheet 2. See, you can see friends, just only the records here, just align it as you did. Our desired record is coming automatically. Again I am running this. See, say 4 to 9. See friends, all the records has come to sheet 2 from sheet 1, has been transferred, copied and transferred. So friends, here you can see the above blank portion. Actually here friends, the records are coming row by row, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and on the above 1, 2 and 3 row has become blank. So we need to delete the blank rows automatically. And to do this friends, we can just extend this code little bit. Here we can write to delete the blank rows of sheet 2. Here friends, we can write, we can take another for loop. So just copy this. We need another for loop for sheet 2 like this. here L row, instead of L row I am just changing the name of the variable T row, and here I need to delete the blank rows of sheet 2. Here I am replacing sheet 1 with sheet 2, and here I am taking another variable instead of X, that is I, and L row, instead of L row here it will be T row. Here I will take the help of step code. Step, you can say, see, for I is equal to 2 to T row to 2, step -1, and this will perform our desired task. Here friends, I am then typing sheet 2 dot cells x comma 1 dot enter row dot select, and then selection dot delete. Here friends, you can see here I need another if statement. If there any blank row, here if sheet 2 dot cells x comma 1 is equal to blank or nothing, then it will be deleted. Then end if and next, closing the for loop with next, and this section friends will delete the blank rows. Just run this, let's see what happens. Just before that I am deleting this. Here 5 to 8, and if I click on transfer to sheet 2, no, nothing is being deleted, so just need to change some codes. Here not X, it will be I, because you can see the variable has been changed for sheet 2, I. Now again I am going to our sheet 2, just deleting this, and oh sorry, don't copy this, don't save this, no need of save this, just run this 5 to 8. See friends, it has placed in proper position. You can see friends, everything has placed in proper position. Now friends, if I want to refresh this sheet, we can do this with the help of another for loop and another command button. So just taking a refresh command button, just closing this. Here friends, just dragging this here, and I am taking another command button here. You can see refresh button, you can take like this, just refresh or delete. Refresh, this is the refresh button, just enhancing its font size so that it can be seen clearly like this. And in this button I want to clear the items of sheet 2. We can copy this portion for these friends. Here command button 2, I am pasting it. I can use this for loop in this sub or module in this section. Here friends, I can also use this line of codes to delete all the rows up to row number 2. Here, just closing the for loop with next. If I run this, friends, just run this, and if I refresh, click on the refresh button, see what happens. Everything has been refreshed, has been deleted. Now friends, if I want to transfer record number 2 to record number 10 to sheet 2 from sheet 1, just clicking on transfer to sheet 2 button, you can see all the records has been transferred, has been copied and transferred to sheet 2, all the desired records. And we can also refresh this for another transformation of data like this. Here I am changing it 1 2 3 4. Just click on transfer to sheet 2. It has been transferred and refreshed. So 4 to 9 transferred to sheet 2. Yes, you can see everything has been placed, has been transferred from sheet 1, copied and transferred. And now I will refresh this. So friends, this is the codes, friends, to extract or to filter data or to copy and transfer the desired record from one sheet to another. So hope it will be little helpful, friends, and if it is, please subscribe this channel. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.